Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Sahaj Pathshala. Dear my students, now I will discuss about how to make pudding. First of all, we should learn about the components of pudding. The components are 4 TBSP granulated sugar and 2 TBSP hot water. Then we should learn about egg mixture. The egg mixture are 4 eggs, 500 milliliter milk and 10 TBSP granulated sugar. Dear my students, now I will discuss about how to prepare pudding. First of all, pour the water and the sugar into the pot. Then heat the pot medium. Keep the pot down until the surface shows soft color. Then pour the caramel into the pot of custard. Then mix the eggs softly with a ballon whisk. Then add milk and the sugar to the pot and stir the mixture Filtrate the egg mixture with a strainer. Now keep the mixture of eggs on the caramel and cover the pot. Then keep the pot on the stove for 20 to 25 minutes. Then down the pot. After a while, put the pot on the stove. Now pudding is almost ready. Then keep it in the cooling place. Dear my students, on pudding the paragraph is complete. Now you may write down on your khata. Dear my students, now I am going to finish my class. I will discuss again in my next class. Thank you very much for watching this video.